All right, a little how-to install video. I needed to install my Escort Max radar detector. Highly recommended. Link in the description below. I got this mirror tap from Amazon. It comes, so I'll put the link in the description below. It comes with 3 types of wires, so you can pick the size that you can tap through here. So I put the red wire on the blue slot. A blue wire comes in through it, and then I put the ground, the black one, on the black. Okay, you see that there? Hopefully, let me light it up a little bit more. Right there. Okay, and that's how you mirror tap. Now my radar detector, as you can see, is on, and when I leave the vehicle, it turns off. So this is probably the light, the power supply for the mirror of the Jaguar F-PACE SVR. So that's how you mirror tap your radar detector, so that you don't have any wires dangling around, right? So let me turn on the lights here inside the car, so you don't have any wires dangling around. I'm gonna zip tie this here somewhere, so it's not gonna pull off, just in case this falls off. And that's it. It's pretty simple. It's probably the most simple mirror tap that I've done for any car that I've owned. So all you need to do is zip tie it and replace this cover right here. It's just got a couple clips. If you have a plastic pry tool, it makes it easier, but that's pretty straightforward right there. Hopefully this can be helpful to you guys who have F-PACE SVRs, that this is how you mirror tap. Get the power supply from the mirror for your radar detector, which is right there, right? So let me take a picture of that. That's pretty straightforward. Hoping this was helpful to all of you guys. If you like this video, click the like, subscribe, ask questions in the comments below. Take care. Talk to you soon. So here's the finished product. As you can see, radar detector is installed. No wires dangling around. And the mirror is dusty. I need to clean that up. But that's how you do it. You mirror tap. We're using a mirror tap wiring from Amazon. Link in the description below. So it's neat and clean, and it looks like it's meant to be there. So here you go, guys. All right. That's how you mirror tap an Escort Max radar detector to your Jaguar SVR. Hope this helps. All right, see you later, guys.